Today, I'm reviewing Yale smart locks to find out if they live up to their reputation as one of the best keyless entry systems on the market. Yale has been a trusted name in security for years, but does their smart lock technology hold up? I'll walk you through everything, from unboxing to real-world usage, to see if this is the right smart lock for your home. Starting with design, Yale offers a range of smart locks with sleek, modern aesthetics. Their keyless entry systems come in different finishes and styles, fitting most doors without looking bulky. One of the biggest selling points is the ability to unlock your door using a PIN code, a smartphone app, or even voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Some models also support Apple HomeKit, making them a solid choice for Apple users. Installation is fairly straightforward, but not completely hassle-free. If you already have a standard deadbolt, Yale smart locks are designed to replace it without too much trouble. However, depending on your door type, you might run into alignment issues, which can make locking and unlocking inconsistent. The process usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes, but if you're not comfortable with DIY installations, professional help might be a better option. The Yale Access app is meant to be the control center for your lock, allowing you to manage PIN codes, check lock history, and receive real-time notifications. While the app interface is intuitive, there have been reports of occasional connectivity issues, especially with Wi-Fi-based models. The Bluetooth connection works well for close-range control, but if you want remote access, you'll need the Yale Wi-Fi Connect module, which is an additional cost. Security-wise, Yale smart locks provide convenience, but they aren't foolproof. While they have an auto-lock feature and tamper alerts, some users have experienced delays in the locking mechanism, which can be frustrating. Battery life is another concern. Depending on usage, you'll need to replace batteries every 4 to 6 months, and there's always the risk of getting locked out if the batteries die unexpectedly. Fortunately, some models come with a backup key or a 9V battery jumpstart option. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the biggest complaints from users is inconsistent app performance and Wi-Fi connectivity issues. If you rely on remote access frequently, this could be a major drawback. Another issue is that some Yale smart locks don't support auto unlock via GPS, which is a feature many competing brands offer. Additionally, integration with smart home ecosystems isn't always seamless. While it works well with some platforms, users have reported glitches with Alexa routines and Apple HomeKit. On the positive side, Yale smart locks offer multiple ways to enter your home, making them more flexible than traditional locks. If you forget your keys, you can still unlock your door with a PIN code or the app. Guest access is also a useful feature, allowing you to set temporary codes for visitors, housekeepers, or Airbnb guests. Final thoughts: Yale smart locks offer strong security features and a modern design, but they aren't perfect. If you're tech-savvy and comfortable troubleshooting occasional connectivity issues, they can be a great addition to your smart home. However, if you want a plug-and-play experience with flawless remote access, you might want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used a Yale smart lock and what your experience has been like.